Hey guys, and welcome back to Laws of Physio. Today we're going to go through a quick video just to see how to tape for shin splints. So you may have experienced pain in the shin when you recently start exercise or you've been doing a lot of load. Shin splints normally comes on when you overload the muscles and the bones and tendons in the front of your shin. So taping is a good way to offload all those structures to allow pain-free movement and to allow recovery time and kind of progression back into exercise without pain. So get some tape. I'm using some kinesiology tape here. When you cut it, I like to round the corners just so there's no edge for the tape to peel off. And what you're going to do is you're going to get your foot into a dorsiflexed position, so pretty much bringing the toes as close as you can to your head, and you're going to start with the tape just a little bit below the ankle, and you're just going to leave a little bit of a section without any tension, just so when the tape is moving it's not going to pull at your skin too much. From here you're going to pull the tape up and you're going to reposition it as far up the shin as you can, and then from there you're just going to leave another section without any tension on it. So I like to do one on the inside of the shin, along the shin bone, and I like to overlap about 25% of the tape, and you're going to go again on the outside of the shin. I like to add a little bit of an extra compressive strap over the top, and I usually position it where the patient finds it most painful, and that just adds a little bit of compression. I didn't do it here, but you can also add a little bit of a strap around the ankle just so the tape doesn't fly off. So give that a go, let me know how you find it, and I'll catch you in the next one.